Okay, he seems to be better now, because the last time he was just horrible. See? A swish! Swish! Isn't he getting better? Missed airball. He sucks. You hear that sound? That's his mom and sister. Misses it. Makes it. You see, he's better now. He makes it. Whoosh. Shh. Shh. That's a swishing sound of a swish. Missed. Dunk. Make. Miss. Dunk. Make.
To end this video, I'd like to do this for Michael Jordan.
He's on the ground. He is down. See ya. And this is Eric Type 3.